Waves. We see and hear them all the time, in our everyday lives. So what are they? Waves are vibrations that transfer energy from place to place without the transferring of matter. Imagine a Mexican wave at a football match. Every person stays in their same seat but moves up and down when it is their turn. Some waves can only travel through a substance. This substance that a wave travels through is called a medium. It could be solid, liquid, or gas. Sound waves are just like these types of waves. They cannot travel through, well, nothing, as in a vacuum. The sound that we hear is transferred through a medium, which is the air that surrounds us. But some waves do not need to travel through a medium, like light. So electromagnetic waves, like infrared rays, X-rays, microwaves, and radio waves. Although they may be able to pass through a medium, they do not have to. Now, there are two different types of waves, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. All electromagnetic waves are transverse, but so are water waves and S waves, which are a type of seismic wave. In transverse waves, the vibrations are at right angles to the direction that the wave is traveling in. And longitudinal waves are when the vibrations are along the same direction that the wave is traveling in. These waves include sound waves that you are hearing right now. Well, we use this type of graph, which you are probably all familiar with from physics class. What does this graph mean? Well, there are three words that might help you with that question: amplitude, wavelength, and frequency. The amplitude of a wave is basically how much the medium is being vibrated, or the strength of the wave. This determines the loudness of the wave in sound. The amplitude is the distance between the middle line and the top or bottom of the wave. The wavelength of a wave is the distance between a point on one wave and the same point on the next wave. And the frequency is the number of waves produced by the source per second. The unit for frequency is Hz, or Hertz. Yes, the name of the car rental company. The range of human hearing is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and radio waves typically use frequencies of around 100 MHz of the electromagnetic spectrum, and Wi-Fi's usually use 2.4 GHz frequencies. The last thing you need to know about wave basics is calculating the speed of the wave. The speed of the wave in meters per second is related to its frequency in hertz and its wavelength in meters. So the speed of the wave equals frequency times the wavelength.